friends, you are watching ERUDIRE Plus, the professional CAD/CAM solution provider. Let's get started.
Hello viewers, this is our third exercise using Autodesk Fusion 360. This is a very simple model. In this case, we will sketch half of the model and that to be mirrored, and finally that to be extruded with a specific depth of 140 millimeter. Right? So without wasting time, let us start our modeling using Autodesk Fusion 360. Right? First of all, we need to create a new design, and we can save that one with a specific name of exercise 3, and we can save it to a specific folder by the name of Fusion. Let us save it. You can see that model is named as exercise 3. While starting sketching, we need to start from here, and as we told before, we need to start from front plane, selecting front plane. Okay, done. Now the thing is, first of all, as we told that we need to make one half of the model and that to be mirrored. So initially we'll make one reference line or construction line. With respect to that construction line, we need to make a mirror of that sketch, right? So we're selecting construction line from here, and let's make a line. This will be the reference for mirror line. Okay, done. Now we need to change the line type from construction line to a solid line. Right? You can see the drawing again for understanding in a better way. Initially, we need to move from this down position horizontally 40 millimeter because total length is 80. So we'll start from here. It will be 40 millimeter. Then it will move vertically off by 15. Again, horizontally, it will move in the left hand side by 10 millimeter. Next, it will move vertically off by 13 millimeter. This way, it will move, right? So we are starting with solid line. From this location, we need to move horizontally to a length of 40 millimeter. Enter. Now from here, you have to move vertically up to a height of 15 millimeter. So you can write 15 and enter. Again, you need to move in the left hand side to a length of 10 millimeter. So you can write 10 and enter. Now we need to move vertically up to a height of 13 millimeter. So we can write again 13 millimeter and enter. Again, you can move horizontally in the right hand side to a length of 10 millimeter. We can write 10 and enter. Then we need to move vertically up to a height of 25 millimeter. So we can write 25 and enter. Then again horizontally, we need to move left hand side by 10 millimeter. Write 10 and enter. Next to that, we need to make one inclined line. So this one will make at random, and finally we'll provide smart dimension to this one, right? Let us make any inclined line from here to here, and then from that location you can come down by 5 millimeter. You can write 5, enter. Then you can join vertically here itself, right? Okay, now we can provide the smart dimension to all these things. This one, from here to here, the distance will be 27 millimeter. So we can start smart dimensioning from here to here as 27 millimeter. Okay, right, 27. And again, vertically it will come down by 28 millimeter. So from here to here, it will be 28 millimeter, right? You can write here 28 millimeter. Done. This is 5 millimeter already made, and this one will be driven. This will be actually 3 millimeter. So this is complete as per our drawing. Now we need to make a mirror of this one with respect to this construction line, right? So we can create a mirror. We need to select the objects. By dragging this one, we can select all the specific lines. Now we need to select the mirror line. This one will be acting as a mirror line. So our mirror is complete. We can accept this one. Okay, mirror is complete, right? As the sketch is complete, we can finish sketch and that to be extruded to a specific depth, right? Let us see the drawing again to see how much it should be extruded. We can see that extrusion depth should be 140 millimeter, right? So we can start our modeling again. So extrude, and the depth of extrusion should be 140 millimeter, right? We can write 140, enter. The drawing is made. You can see that model, right? This is our final drawing. To provide a better appearance, we can click the shortcut A, and we can provide metallic color to this one. Let us select from the library. It will be metals, and let us consider this one to be made up of polished copper, right? So let us drag this one to the model. We made this one. This is done. So close it, right? You can see this model. This is a very simple model. What we made one half of the sketch, and next to that we made the mirror of that one, and finally extruded to a specific depth. So with this one, we'll conclude our today's third exercise. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you again. Bye. If you like this video, please subscribe and share, and if you have any kind of doubts, please write to me. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you again. Bye.